Let's go surfing now, everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me. Come on a safari with me. Early in the morning we'll be starting out. Some honeys will be coming along. We're loading up our woody with their boards inside and heading out singing our song. Come on, baby, face.
Okay, here comes the wave. Oh boy, this is the set. It's a cleanup set. 30-footer. Hey Jimbo, what's up?
Am I on video?
You are live.
Cool.
Okay, so tell us what the meaning of life is.
The meaning of life?
Yeah.
The meaning of life. Wow.
In 5 minutes or less.
Well, it's pretty simple. It's love. I mean, that's what it boils down to.
Love.
Yeah, it's love. That's what it is. Life is infinite. It's just never
What
ending.
kind of love? Love your dog love, love your wife love, brotherly
Just
love,
universal love. Just love everything and be cool. And,
just love of God.
Yeah. For sure.
Do you think we're sent here to learn anything?
A lot of people are. Most people are. Yeah.
Mostly about love.
Mostly about lessons. I mean, it's about breaking out of their egos, you know. So a lot of people hit their heads against the brick wall on a regular basis because they just don't learn, and so it takes them a long time.
What if you like love animals but you hate people? Is that bad?
Yeah. You're supposed to be cool with everything, all kinds of all life forms.
You're just supposed to love your animals and hate your neighbor.
Yeah, I
You're
know.
supposed to love your neighbor.
Yeah, you should probably
What
love.
if you love your neighbor but you hate your neighbor's dog?
Happens. It happens.
Like, because they ate your cat.
Yeah. Yeah.
My neighbor's dog ate my cat, so I ate my neighbor's dog, but I love my neighbor.
Yeah.
Let's go videotape the bird. Okay, here we go. Birdie. Here, Birdie. We are videotaping the bird, which is up here. Right up. And if I flip this way,
Look at your crazy nest up there. Are there eggs in them?
not to be nosy or anything, but what are you guys doing up there? Now let's watch it. You think we're gonna see anything?
I don't know. Probably not.
Let's find
Maybe
out.
a bird will.
Okay, it's going.
Should I go?
Yep. Go Jimbo, go Jimbo, go Jimbo. Ooh, that was the best one yet. That was a good solid, like 4.5 seconds. Go Jimbo. Payback's the bitch. Remember I hit you that one time? A couple of times.
Well, I hit the wall.
You were trying to hit me, huh?
No. You got me good last time.
I know. Go Jimbo. That was exciting.
Which
Falling right into the camera's
Which
screen.
leg?
My left leg.
Can you go? Can you like stretch it out?
That's what I was doing last night. I should do it again right now.
Yeah. Stretch it out.
Not the young buck I used to be, evidently.
You're only getting younger and stronger.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh my God. That was a good one. That was like 10 seconds or something.
Extended. It was all like.
I forgot to count, but that was at least 8 seconds.
8-second
Maybe
ride.
maybe 9 or 10. Wow. Good job. That was the old fish that got away. You know when old men get around and tell all their fish tales? that was the like 5.5 hour ride that got away. From 3 minutes
God
to,
is
in
love.
20 years it'll be like
God
5
is
hours.
life.
Yeah, I was
God
standing
is
there on that board for like
everything.
5 hours straight.
Strength and joy, hope
Sure, why
and
not?
peace.
Yeah,
Found
why not?
in
Let me get over here.
God, you
Go
are
ahead.
love, you are life, you are everything. Please make your precious home
that's a good
in me. God is love, God is life, God is everything. Strength and joy, hope and peace found in Him.
Okay, go.
God, you are love, you are life, you are everything.
It just figures like when I finally
Make
start
your
counting
precious
like a
home
1.5
in
second
me. I am weak, you are strong. You're the tree life comes from.
Okay, Jimbo. Here, let me get
You're the owner of my soul.
Go, Jim.
Now my heart's an open door. Forever be the Lord of my
4
life.
seconds.
God is love, God is life,
I'm just good
God
at
is
that.
everything. Strength and joy, hope and peace found in Him.
You my
God, you are love, you are life, you are everything. Please make your precious home in me. I am weak,
Jimbo.
you
Oh
are
boy.
strong.
Oh boy.
You're the
1,000,
tree
1,000.
life comes from. You're the owner of my soul. Now my heart's an open door. Forever be the Lord of my life. God is love.
Here we go.
God is love. God is life. God is everything. Oh yeah. Strength and joy, hope and peace found in Him. Found in Him. You are love. You are life. You are everything. You are everything. Please make your precious home in me. Oh yes, Lord. Please make your precious home in me. 'Cause you are everything. Please make your precious home in me.
That was cool.
Oh,